All of you, welcome back once again, and finally this is happening. I know it took me 2.5 months to make this video where we can take the question, response to that, and you will have your doubt clear. You guys have shoot me tons of email, tons of messages. I tried my best to give the response to those email, and my team also tried their best to respond to all the technical questions which you guys had. So in this video, I'm mostly going to talk about that what exactly I have been involved in and why I was not able to publish more video. But like we were having videos related to the project, I hope you guys are enjoying those videos, those projects on the channel. If you are absolute beginner, I would highly encourage you that without wasting your time, build project. That will help you to give you the proper understanding about the technology and the things that is happening in the industry. Then you can able to understand the changes, the dynamics, and you're going to implement in your further learning, because every single thing is connected with one another. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about the technical part. Rather, I'm going to focus on the industry, the changes, and what we are exactly working on. So as you all know that we work with the blockchain coder. This is the small startup we have initialized. We have 12 to 15 developers in our team, and we are currently expanding our team to have more projects. So we generally work with the startups. We generally work with the individual founders, help them to develop their project idea, whatever they have. So we work across all the blockchain: Solana, Avalanche, Ethereum, Binance, Polygon. We work across all the blockchain and we'll build different type of project. I hope you guys are following all the project which we have on the channel, and you can see all those projects which we publish on the channel is a sub product which we have already developed and delivered to our client. So we never produce any product, we never develop any product just randomly. Like whatever product you see, whatever project you see on the channel, it has already delivered, and it has already generated that idea from the industry, and that's what we have taken and built those project. So you guys can understand that what type of project can be there in the industry. So you can able to keep yourself updated, and you can able to keep your mind open that okay, this kind of project can also be demandable in the industry. It's not always about the DeFi swap, but there are tons of technology, tons of model which you can implement in the blockchain. So currently the main reason why I was not able to publish the video, because we are trying to expand our team, because we are getting work and we need more developer to work on our project. So I was a little busy in that, and we have a couple of projects which we have to complete in the next 2 months, because we have a deadline which we have to provide. So it's a bigger project, and we have been working for the last 3 to 4 months into that. So it's going to be complete by the end of the November. So we are totally involved in that. So that's why I was not able to publish. But for this time onward, I will try to bring at least 2 videos in a week. That's my guarantee, 2 videos in a week, so you can have your question, have your doubt clear. I hope you guys are following project. So that's the quick update I want to give you all, that what exactly I'm doing. I'm going to make a brief video when I will launch the project, and I will explain that what project we are working on once it will be launched. So tons of idea we have around our startup, the project we are developing, the client we are working for, and even the future tutorial, future courses which will come on the channel. And I hope you are also enjoying the complete bootcamp we have for the blockchain developer, in which you will master complete blockchain development. So if you haven't checked that, make sure to watch this. Try to understand the model which you're going to learn. That will give you a better understanding that what exactly happening, what are the requirements you have to have in your skills which you can able to implement in the project and provide to the industry. That's the quick update I want to give you. I'll try to make the video very frequently. We're going to have more video like that, and if you have any question, just shoot me in the email or in the comments. So I'll try to make a detailed video on this, and you will have your doubt clear. So just let it out. Whatever question you have, just let it out, no matter how stupid it is. This is what I have noticed, that some of you get scared when you have a question and you think that it's a stupid question. No question is stupid. If you have a doubt, ask. When you ask, when you have a communication, when you have a discussion on that, you will have your doubt clear. And that's how you're going to open the door of knowledge. You will understand that what is your capability, where you want to go, what you have to learn, and how you have to take yourself into ahead in that particular industry or direction. So that's the quick intro, and soon I will try to bring more video like this, so you guys will have your doubt clear. So with that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.